Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Friday, March 7th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, you can see in the sky at night. Correct. And number 2 means to do something over and over to get better at it. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The moon is bright. The moon is bright. Moon. The round thing in the sky at night. Now we can make a flashcard for moon. We usually say the moon because there's only one. Please write moon up here in the top left corner, M-O-O-N. Down here in the bottom left corner, N-1. This means noun, level 1. Over here the number 105 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like oo, moo, moon. What does moon mean in your language? Let me know in the comments. Now word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer practices basketball every day. Jennifer practices basketball every day. Practices. She plays very much because she wants to improve. Now we can make a flashcard for practice. We have 2 basic forms: to practice something, to practice basketball, and we also say to practice doing something, to practice playing basketball. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner, to practice. Down here the code, V1, N2. V1 means verb, level 1. That's what we're learning now. Over here the number 47 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Practice. Practice. Game over. You did really well today. Up in the sky you can see the moon. Very nice. And every day I practice piano. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. It is a fact. Yes, it means it's true. Number 2 is stepmother. Very good. And the last one means to find something. Correct. Locate. Number 2, a stepmother means a mother, but not the real biological mother. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side.